pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are all the lines that we drew yesterday. This is a daily time frame, and as you can see, Nifty opened gap down and hasn't pretty much gone anywhere. So I was expecting it to perhaps come down to this level, but it went up, took resistance and at this level that we had drawn, 26,160 approx, came down, and it's almost dodgy. So let's begin our analysis for the day. As usual, let's delete all the lines that we drew yesterday. Let's start from the monthly time frame. In the monthly time frame, the bias is bullish. It was bullish and it is still bullish. Nothing has changed. Why is it bullish? Because this low made in August is higher than this low made in April. So when bears tried to sell the market off, bulls bought it out from here. All the sell orders were exhausted at this level. So that means this is a new base that's created for Nifty, and that is higher than the previous base. That's why Nifty is bullish. This is the only, what I'm explaining right now is the only logic I follow in the market. So let me mark important levels. The most important level here is previous all-time high. Important support level is previous swing high and previous swing low. That is all. Let's keep it simple. Let's go to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame was not sure yesterday. It is still not sure. The weekly candle has to close. For if it closes somewhere here, then it's the bias is bullish. Why is it bullish? Because this is a swing low, and this swing low is higher than the previous swing low. So let's just mark out the important levels. We had yesterday marked, and what just happened to my chart? Okay, so I believe it's my internet that's a little too slow. Yeah, so this is the low that needs to be protected for the weekly bias to be confirmed. So let's mark this level. This is 25,878, and on top it is this flat top, which is where big sellers are. So Nifty, this is a weekly range for Nifty that we just drawn on the weekly time frame, 26,235 and 25,878. Nifty should stay within this range. If it breaks out on any particular direction, then it invalidates the biases here. So right now we do not have a bias, but we are expecting it to form a bullish bias with a close above this level. I mean, when I say close above the level, I do not mean that the close has to be above this level for this bias to be confirmed. Even if a wick comes down and touches this level, then this bias, this bullish bias that I'm anticipating, is invalidated. Going over to the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, the bias was bullish. It is still bullish because this low has been protected. This was the low that was created at a higher level than the previous low. So this is a low and this is a higher low, and then we still have no other lows here. So if this is protected, that means Nifty is bullish on a daily time frame. Are there any levels to be drawn? Yes, we do have a few levels. So this was a bullish order block that was drawn yesterday. I'm just approximating it there. It's already taken, so I believe it's acting as a resistance right now. Let me draw it with thinner lines so that in live market I don't keep thinking what time frame it is. just keep it almost in the middle. Yeah, right, not too important. Now here we have a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap that I'm talking about. So you see this Nifty actually traded between this order block and this fair value gap. That's what happened in Nifty today. So going over to the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, it is I said it's bullish, but that is gone, because you see this was the low that needed to be protected, that is taken already. So on a 4-hour time frame, is there a lower high formed? No, this was the high. There is no lower high formed. Okay, let's just make sure the high of this is 26,187.7. This is 26,187.15. Yeah, so it is not sure. So on a 4-hour time frame, I'm not sure what the bias is. An hourly time frame, on an hourly time frame, it was bearish, and I believe it is still bearish, because you see this was a swing high. That swing high was protected by a lower swing high. Is it? Okay, let me just confirm the levels. 26,187.7 is the swing high, and this is 26,187.15. Oh, these were the candles that we're talking about. So yeah, lower, consistently creating lower highs. So hourly is bearish. Let us see where Nifty goes tomorrow. Yeah, so as you can see, it was bullish. The higher time frames were bullish, and now you can see from the lower time frame there are reversal patterns. So ideally, reversal patterns always start from the lower time frame and then work its way upwards. So let's see if if Nifty is indeed turning bearish, or it's just it's taking a pause and then it will fly again. That's it from my side. All this is for only educational purpose. I'm not a certified analyst. Thank you very much.